Assalamualaikum and a very good evening to all of you. कैसे हैं आप लोग? मैं भी बहुत बढ़िया हूँ. Today this is my complete video in English and I will try to focus to my people, especially I will try to connect to the students. People in my area, people are learning local English language that is not accepted in all over world. I will suggest to those people who are interested to speak very fluent in English that we should always try to speak very standard English that is accepted in all over the world. आज के ज़माने में हम लोग लोकल इंग्लिश सीख रहे हैं, स्टैंडर्ड इंग्लिश सीखने की कोशिश कीजिए. और देखिए, if the person who speaks very dynamic in English and that person will known all over the world, the entire world is ours if we know good English. Let me give you example that if we visit Canada, Australia, America and then a different part of the world, if we have a good command in English language, then we will definitely interact to other people or we will have no hesitation while interacting to other people. So this is the importance of English language. देखिए, this is the most important language as we born in India. Hindi is the most important language as a native. But the English is the most important language in our professional area. If you want to visit any place or university or college, if you want to see many people facing problem, then we will have a well command of English language. किसी भी जगह जाने के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है ये प्रोफेशनल एरिया में, कंपनी में जा रहे हैं, बड़ी यूनिवर्सिटी में जा रहे हैं, स्कूल में जा रहे हैं, अदर कंट्रीज में जा रहे हैं, तो इसकी कहीं ना कहीं अहमियत है. बट वी आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. हिंदी इज ए लिमिटेड लैंग्वेज. वी शुड नो वेरी वेल. Hindi is spoken only in India and some state backward in we can say that UP and Bihar, but South Indian Hindi is not accepted. But English is such a language that has got a good recognition. English is an international language. English is a corporate language. It is a global language. It is a scientific language. There are 4 titles that has been given to English language. इतना सारा टाइटल्स इसको मिला है, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज को मिली है, तो कहीं ना कहीं इसकी अहमियत है. बट पीपल आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग. पीपल आर जस्ट गिविंग प्रीफरेंस टू नेटिव. हम नहीं कह रहे हैं कि आप नेटिव हिंदी को भूल जाए. आई विल नेवर से दैट वी शुड फॉरगेट आवर नेटिव लैंग्वेज एंड स्टार्ट लर्निंग ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. नो नो नो. हम कभी नहीं कहेंगे कि आप हिंदी भूल जाइए और इंग्लिश सीखिए. नहीं यार, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट लैंग्वेज एज अ नेटिव. So we should try to understand, we should try to analyze, we should try to develop our communication, especially in English, if we want to get reputation in front of people. अगर हम लोगों के बीच reputation पाना चाहते हैं, देखिए ये इंग्लिश ये क्या है? This is not a language. this सिर्फ एक लैंग्वेज नहीं होता है. It enhances our complete personality. ये हमारी पूरी complete personality को enhance करता है. And we should try to speak standard English. And this is my message to all the people. This is my suggestion to all the people who are interested of speaking English language. And please try to develop a good environment. It can be spoken by ourselves. It is not the matter we are not getting environment. We don't have smart classes and there is no environment of people. Students, so many students are complaining, sir. We don't have any good environment to whom we can interact in English. Yaar, English can be learned, yaar. You can stand in front of mirror. You can practice so many times. Already you have a good knowledge in grammar. So why are you not practicing English? This is the complaint of UP board and CBSE also. Because of practicing, we don't have well command in practice. So this is my complete message. This is my advice, suggestion to all the people, especially students. If you want to develop your complete personality, especially in English, so you can interact to the whole world. The entire world is yours if you know good standard English. So I hope you will try to create such a good, wonderful environment of learning English and try to utilize, try to speak. Ensure that you will be able to speak very fluent if you practice every day. Assalamu alaikum.